Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing ChatGPT Agents, the latest feature that's changing how people use AI for tasks, projects, and automation. Let's see if it's really worth your time. What it is. ChatGPT Agents are custom AI assistants you can create inside ChatGPT to perform specific tasks. Instead of just chatting, these agents can be built to follow your instructions, remember context, and even use tools or APIs to get things done. How it works? You start by setting up an agent in ChatGPT's interface, giving it a name, personality, and clear instructions on what it should do. You can add capabilities like web browsing, file handling, or connecting to external apps. Once created, the agent runs independently in its own thread, following your setup every time you interact with it. Some people create research bots, customer support assistants, or content creation helpers. Who's it for? This feature is ideal for freelancers, small businesses, content creators, and anyone who regularly repeats certain tasks and wants to save time. It's also great for tech enthusiasts who want to experiment with personalized AI workflows. What people are saying. Positive feedback. Users love the flexibility and time savings, with many saying it's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7. Negative feedback. Some find the setup confusing at first, and there are occasional limitations when agents try to handle complex or highly technical requests. Red flags. There aren't scam concerns with the feature itself, but you should be cautious about using third-party agent templates from unknown sources, especially if they request sensitive information. Pros. Fully customizable to your needs. Can handle repetitive work automatically. Integrates with other tools and services. Cons. Learning curve for beginners. Limited by ChatGPT's current capabilities. Requires a paid plan for full features. Recommendation. So here's my take. If you're already using ChatGPT and want more automation, agents are definitely worth exploring. But if you're brand new to AI, expect a little trial and error before you get the perfect setup. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on ChatGPT agents in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.